Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Android phone stuck on carrier logo. When you need to use your Android phone to surf the internet, you find that your Android phone is stuck on carrier logo, which prevents you from using your Android phone to surf the internet. What will you do if your Android phone gets stuck on carrier logo? Don't worry, this video will tell you how to fix Android phone stuck on carrier logo. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently. I believe there is always a solution to solve your problem when your Android phone stays on the carrier logo interface indefinitely and cannot enter the main system. This situation is common in the following scenarios: system upgrade failure or breaking, user misoperation leading to system crash, carrier firmware failure, hardware failure, etc. may cause Android phone carrier logo stuck. Do you have a certain understanding of why phone stuck at carrier logo upon restarting? Good. Now we will try the steps of Android phone stuck on carrier logo fix. Please watch this video patiently and try the following solutions one by one with me. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is force restart. In order to get past Android phone frozen carrier logo, you can try to force restart your Android phone to interrupt the current process. Force restart allows the Android phone to restart from scratch, and it can also clear certain temporary glitches. To force restart your Android phone, long press the combination of the phone's force restart keys. The combination of the Samsung phone force restart keys in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination of your phone's force restart keys for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and then your phone will automatically restart. After waiting for the restart to complete, use the phone normally to test whether it fixes Android phone stuck on carrier logo screen. Method 2 is to remove external devices. External devices may not be the main reason for carrier logo stuck on Android phone screen, but it is one of the possibilities. So if your Android phone has external devices connected or plugged in, disconnect them all. After disconnecting them all, try restarting your Android phone again and see if you can enter the home screen normally. If it still doesn't work, try the next method. Method 3 is to reset your phone. If your Android phone is still stuck on the carrier logo, the last thing you can do is to reset your Android phone. Resetting your phone can solve most non-hardware problems, but restoring to factory settings will also delete all the data on your Android device. If you have data you need, please back it up before resetting your Android device. Otherwise, all your data will be lost. Next, follow the steps below to restore your Android phone to factory settings. Please connect your phone to your computer. And make sure your phone is turned off and wait for at least 30 seconds. After that, please press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Do not release them during this period. In Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option and press the power button to confirm. After that, use the volume down button again to select the factory reset option and use the power button to select the yes option to confirm. The reset process will be triggered and it will only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After completion, it will take you back to the same recovery mode. After that, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your Android phone will turn back on and enter the home screen normally. Here, check if the problem of Android phone freezes on carrier logo screen is solved. The last step is to transfer your backed up data back to the Android phone. Method 4 is to contact the carrier or phone brand. When resetting the Android phone does not work, you can only contact the carrier or phone brand to see if they can tell you how to fix phone stuck on carrier logo. You can ask them to help you detect whether it is the phone or other problems, and give you feedback in time. If the repair cost is too high, it is recommended that you buy a new phone. Today's video ends here. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.